Hi, I'm Nate Hall, Sales Engineer at MachMotion. CNC machines have gone the way of the computer. A lot of companies, from multi-billion-dollar corporations to small job shops, use these machines until the control goes bad, and then they throw the whole machine out. But underneath the control, there is a frame. There are ball screws. There's a 50 horsepower AC motor that has 10, 20, maybe 50 years of life left in it. You already have tooling for this machine. You know how rigid it is and how hard you can push it. It's probably built better than new machines rolling off the showroom floor today. Why would you throw it out? We have been helping companies for 20 years breathe new life into good machines because there's nothing wrong with your machine. It just needs a new control. On our sales team, we don't just sell you a product off of the shelf. We carefully look at each system we quote. We provide you a control, new motors, and a new electrical system that makes sense for your machine. We can even look at your process and help you turn the machine you have into the machine you want. We don't ship you a pallet of loose components to figure out yourself. We ship you a working, fully integrated machine control system. We power on and test every component. We label every wire. We know every step of what you're doing at the machine and will guide you through the entire process. If you want the turnkey approach, we can do that too. You just give us the green light and we'll do the rest, from engineering to running your first part and everything in between. We put a widget on every control we sell that allows our world-class support team to log into your control. They will see exactly what you see. They can use that remote connection to troubleshoot virtually any problem on your machine, down to the mechanical and electrical systems. So before you throw your machine out or pick up another flaky used machine, consider the idea that you have all the machine you need. It just needs a MachMotion control on it.